Jamaica is a beautiful country with many wonderful places to visit. Here are some of the best places to travel to in Jamaica. Montego Bay, known as the tourist capital of Jamaica, Montego Bay is home to some of the island's best beaches, resorts, and golf courses. It's also a great place to experience the vibrant culture and music of Jamaica. Ocho Rios. Located on the northern coast of Jamaica, Ocho Rios is famous for its stunning waterfalls, including Dunn's River Falls, and its beautiful beaches. It's also a popular destination for cruise ships. Negril. If you're looking for a more laid-back vibe, Negril is the place to be. This small beach town is known for its gorgeous white sand beaches and crystal-clear waters, as well as its amazing sunsets. Kingston. As the capital city of Jamaica, Kingston is a must-visit destination for history and culture buffs. It's home to several museums, including the Bob Marley Museum, and offers a fascinating look at Jamaican life and history. Port Antonio. Located on the eastern coast of Jamaica, Port Antonio is a quieter, more secluded destination that's perfect for nature lovers. It's surrounded by lush rainforests, rivers, and waterfalls, and offers plenty of opportunities for hiking, rafting, and other outdoor activities.
Welcome to the Weekend Drive with DJ Perry Villa. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perry Villa. Fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Shali, and I'm locked into this Weekend Drive with my boy DJ Perry Villa. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perry Villa. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza, and I'm locked into the Weekend Drive with DJ Perry Villa. Fasten your seatbelt.